Hello and welcome back to KM Webworks. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can create multiple websites on Bluehost or how you can add second or third website on Bluehost. So here you can see I have two domains currently and I want to add the third one. So for that I will have to click on add site button over here, and here I will select install WordPress. I will click on continue, and here I need to write the title. I will click on continue, and here I need to write the domain name. So to add the domain name over here, you first need to add the domain in your hosting. So here is the cPanel. So here I need to go to domains. So here you can see the domain name that I have added. You can just click on create a new domain, and here you can add your domain. But before adding that, you need to make sure that you have your domain connected to the Bluehost. You can change your name servers for the domain using that. For that I already have a video, so just go to my channel, go to playlist, and here go to Bluehost, and here you can see I have multiple videos on how you can change the name servers of different hostings to Bluehost, and here you can see how you can connect the domain to Bluehost. So just watch this video, and if you want to make the domain your primary domain, then you can watch this video. So once your domain is ready, you can just enter your domain name over here. So I can just copy my domain. So here is my domain, and I will click on continue. Otherwise you can also use a temporary domain, and later on you can assign a new domain to this website. So just click on continue. Here you can click on proceed if this shows. So the WordPress is installing, and once installed we will be able to work on our second website on Bluehost. So that's how you can add new website in your Bluehost account. You can click on edit website to edit it. If you face any issue in setting up a new website in your Bluehost account, then you can leave a comment, or you can just go to my website kashifmahmood.com and I will help you out. You can also reach out to Bluehost live chat spot if you have any problem, so you can chat with them and they will help you solve the issue. So that's it for the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos.